Hi guys, this is Sanvi, and one of you have suggested me this song, which is Honk from Nona's. I don't know Nona, who is she, and she is female. I know it by the thumbnail. So let's start the reaction video, and let's see what's the first impression of Nona on me. Okay, let's start. From this, I guess that key. The girl group name is Nona, I think, and it's going like wild crazy. It's a party song. I get it now. It's a labubu, and I like the horn. You say honk or horn. They it has a beat like they make it beat of this song. It's really iconic. Sure, let me think. That they are the group that became famous in a clip, and they had a clip like I can't remember it. Chilla chilla इस type का in icon drama girl from Indonesia. The lyrics are like that. Are they this? Are they them? Yes, yes. I recognize them. They are that girl from Indonesia. The lyrics are like that. I really like the dance steps. Like choreography is really not too hard, but it's really fun. I mean, we will like to do it in a fun occasion and when we happy. Like this one is really good. They are really goddamn girls. Okay, I like their I like their makeup. I really like this kind of makeup uh, with some blue eyeliners, and I am really passionate about that. Okay, so that was the songs. Thank you for suggesting me this song. I really enjoyed it, and I know I'm gonna play this whenever I feel fun or whenever my exams end. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please watch my other videos and like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.